Hi guys! So, welcome to my vlog. So, for today's video is mag-vlog ako. So, mag-vlog ako dito sa River Canyon. So, favorite ko to. So, gising pa ako. Pati yung, gising pa naman talaga ako. Ba't ako mag-vlog? So, ang gising naman dito me and my cousin. So, time check, it's 11:52 p.m. na. So, let's go. So, tatapusin ko to. Kailangan ko tatapusin. Hindi ko to natapos, guys, is comment lang kayo kung may gusto kayong either. Kung wala din, edi wala. Pag di ko to na natapos, ha.
Karma o sa karma?
Okay. So, sana lang hindi pumasok ang lola ko kasi pag pumasok talaga wala na. Hindi natuloy ang ating vlog, mga mi.
Tignan mo.
Oo na.
Yung employee na kuha niya.
Alam nyo, hindi ako talaga pro eh. Hindi talaga ako
Tignan mo
pro.
yung employee.
Oo na.
Tignan mo, nabubuhat
Oo
pala yung employee.
Oo na.
Ay, plus pala yan. Ay.
So, ano ba yan? Daldal naman ito. Hindi talaga ako guys pro eh. Kasi lagi ako nahulog. Unang tapa ko palang hulog na agad ako.
I don't blame them. Who wouldn't get excited to get that employee toy?
Ay po. Okay, muntik na mapasabi
Anik is also
ang
the one who managed to
pose
catch the
ni
blue ball
ante
without
mo,
a gun.
girl. Diyos ko po, Mima. Paki-subscribe naman.
Yep, it's gotta be far indeed.
Oh my God, so ayan.
Ano oras na?
Oh, there's a wall that should have just
11:53.
bounced to somewhere nearby.
So ayan guys.
Anik redeemed
Pag
himself.
natapos ko to guys, pa-subscribe ako. Subscribe nyo naman ako guys pag natapos
Last
ko
three
to, okay?
players that will
Okay,
suffer
let's
more
go.
because I can. So of course, whoever catches this tiny ball in this
Saan
tiny room
pumayat yan?
wins.
Pumayat ba ka? Gusto mo ba papayatin kita yan? Charot. Wala akong powers para magpapayat, okay?
Go. That's one tiny ball. I wonder who made it.
So next time guys, baka mag-dress to impress ako. Kasi natamad ako mag-dress to impress. Ang hina ng internet ko eh. Pag nag-dress to impress ako kanina, nag-dress to impress ako eh. Ang hina ng
Now
ko
that was
eh.
quick for a chaotic
Yung
round.
boys ko guys, nasa okay na pause kasi ako. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Whoever made that ball should be in prison.
Don't worry, guys. I don't really expect the players to catch that ball. I will periodically spawn green balls. Whoever catches the green balls will move on to the next round.
Okay.
This is mission impossible.
The red ball is designed to be the golden snitch. The sooner the player realizes that and go for the green ball will have a higher chance of moving on to the next round.
Up! No. Alam nyo guys, pag pinopost ko to, wala na akong ka-edit. Post na lang. Kasi
She caught the golden snitch,
nakakatamad
but she still looks sad.
mag-post. Alam nyo yun. Ay, nakakatamad
Catching the red ball
nakakatamad
wasn't in the
mag-edit.
plan. Good thing no one caught the other green ball yet where there will
Ayun.
be problems.
Pinopost
Here
ko
in
na
the
lang
final
siya. Hindi
challenge,
ko na siya
there will be
ine-edit.
four
Walang
members for each
ka-edit.
team, and the team
Edit.
who makes the longest
Hindi ako
bridge wins.
nag-edit. Wala akong pa sa edit. Charot.
Go.
Sa TikTok guys, nag-edit ako. Charot. Sige guys. So,
There are members
comment kayo
from
kung
both
gusto
teams
nyo
who are
i-edit
struggling
yung
to
mga
climb the
videos
shelf.
ko.
It may be wise to invest some time to build a ladder for them to climb the shelf easily.
Kasi inatamad ako mag-edit. Pag nakita nyo
I
bukas yung
haven't really checked if
isa ko
there's a
pang
wall
video
nearby.
bukas,
If so, the first team to hit the wall wins,
maganda
but I
pa
hope
yung
that
isa.
will not be the case.
Bukas Bro Kevin OCD reveal tayo.
Okay. Yan, nag-aya yung pinsan ko na mag-break-even daw kami bukas. Ano ang sabi mo?
Mag-Bro Kevin OC reveal tayo.
You can
Ano
see
yun?
here that blue team
Mag-re-reveal
used some
ng
couches as a
OC sa
platform to
Brookhaven.
easily go
Okay.
up, whereas the
Outfit?
red team's members are visibly struggling
Okay.
to parkour their way up.
Ayan guys, nahulog na naman si ante mo. So, wait lang. So, nag-request si Jaden. So, yung batang kumag guys, okay? Nag-request siya sa akin na, sabi niya daw sa akin, mag-brook-even daw kami bukas. Mag-reveal outfit daw kami.
Bro Kevin OC reveal.
Brook-even OC reveal daw. So, okay. Guys, alam niyo, hindi ako sanay mag-shift lag.
I've
Try
told the
natin
teams
hindi
that
mag-shift
building the
lag.
ladder within the bridge is allowed. I can't add restrictions as the challenge had begun. But of course, the one thing you must never do
Uy,
is reach the
muntikan
bridge
na
of
ako
the
to.
opposite team.
Hindi
It
talaga
will
ako
lead to
sanay ni
disqualification
Ma.
if proven. Now that the shelf is within
Ayan,
reach of
tay,
red team's
kakaapak.
pitch, I'm excited about how
Maapak
this
pa nga
will
lang
affect
ako,
the flow
hulog
of the
na agad si
challenge.
ate mo, girl.
Something weird is happening on the red
Dati
team's
hindi din
bridge.
ako sanay
Seems
mag-shift
like the
lag.
bridge has holes that needs fixing as
Yes,
soon as
it's just
possible.
living na. Guys, nakalimutan ko. So, tatlo kami dito, guys. So, tulog na yung isa. Gising pa ang dalawa.
Yung isa nanonood ng Curious Gene 008.
So, yung ano ko, yung isa kong pinsan, nanonood siya sa TV ng CK. So, sana hindi dumating si Laura, be. Sana mamaya pang madaling araw.
And I'm impressed how they are maintaining their speed.
Diba, hindi napatay yung wifi pag ano mo gabi?
Ano nga ulit name mo sa ano? Sa ano yun?
Ano?
Ano nga ulit name mo sa...
Sa ano?
Ano nga ulit
I
name mo
noticed
sa...
an increase in
Ano?
building speed from
Sa
the red
YouTube.
team, and now they are
Parang
strategically
sometimes
placing their furnitures to its full potential. Will it be enough to overtake the blue team with the remaining time?
572 sa... Panos lang 572 pero walang
The team not
space.
showing signs of slowing down.
Panos lang 572 pero walang space. Ano video ko?
Sorry guys, ano ha? Sorry guys. Nag-AFK ko. Nag-AFK ako. May tinanong lang ako sa pinsan ko.
Hindi pala naririnig niyan.
Nakikinig. Okay. Sorry guys, hindi ko siya kinakat kasi ayun, walang cut dito sa ano ko, sa video ko. Kasi pag pinag-dot mo antay yung ano, yung circle din yung bilog, stop na siya, te. Wala na, katapusan na ng, ay, tsakot.
The time
Wala,
and
tapos
effort
na
used
siya.
to create this was just wasted because only the furnitures that are connected to the main bridge are
So, alam niyo, ako konti ng views ng mga ano ko. Siyempre, di na naman tayo eh. Sino ba tayo pakadami yun yung ano natin? Sino ba tayo pa? Sana maging sikat din ako. Laki ng pangakap natin ni mapatandaki.
Tapos na, ang pangit. Oh!
This employee.
This trip to the cafeteria is such a breather.
There you are.
Ah,
Would you like to talk about
my...
Escaping Roblox
Picture
IKEA
this. You
thing.
go to visit IKEA, except the more you try to escape the IKEA, the more you realize you're trapped in an infinite IKEA universe that is never ending. All the IKEA employees seem pretty normal, right? No, because as soon as it turns to nighttime, the employees are willing to kill you. And the only way you can survive them is if you, well, outrun them or you build a base with the endless furniture around you. This is Roblox
Guys, okay. Focus tayo. Focus. Bianca.
I'm going to be playing today. Let's make it
Ano yun?
Tawag pala sa, yung nickname pala ng ano.
Wait lang guys, nagulo ako pinsan ko.
Yung nickname pala ng ano, ng IKEA, yung nickname ng 3008 IKEA Backrooms.
Okay.
First thing, I invited one of my
Guys,
subscribers,
ano, I
David,
think
onto the server with me so we can suffer together.
i-edit ko ata to. Kung gusto ko i-edit, so kung makakaya kong i-edit siya. So,
let's make our way to
kung
IKEA,
nakita
shall
nyo
we?
maganda, edi may edit.
David, join my game. Okay, my only goal right now is to find David.
Oh my god, I think
I also need to
hindi ko talaga to matatapos mo. So, mangakap ko matapos to, charot.
If we lose health or energy or hunger,
Okay, so,
if it reaches zero,
alam niyo, takot ako mag-isa guys.
else
Charot.
kills us, these men right here. As soon as it turns to nighttime, these men, let's just say they're not so friendly. Okay, I just need to find David. That's all I need to do. You know, I remember going to IKEA once as a kid. I didn't know how to get out of there, and it literally feels like exactly like an IKEA. And I remember
So, konti lang
I
ang
went to
nagala
IKEA,
ko
and the
nito.
only
Konti
thing
lang
I
pala
bought
nagala ko
was
nito
a
mga ni.
white polar bear plushie. Okay, I just know. David,
Wait lang,
where
kate.
are you? 'Cause we need to build a base. Oh, if you didn't know, by the way, we can like pick up items, right? And we can put them down, and we can build a base to protect us from these like monsters. Oh, I'm gonna get some water for David as well. Oh,
Uy,
no,
munti
you
ka
said,
na
I
ako
don't know,
doon,
I'm more
Mima.
surprised.
Focus lang
I
tayo.
will
Focus
find you,
in the
David.
world.
If it's the last thing I do. Oh, I feel bad. Okay, I need to find David before it turns to nighttime. Because I can't leave
Okay.
David like
Sana
this.
di mahulog. Sana di mahulog.
Yo, that is a sick base.
Okay.
What the heck? This is like
Mommy.
such a cool base.
Mommy.
Is that Saul from
Okay.
Medical Saul? No Wait, it's got a second story? David, we don't even have to build
May
it.
naiyak.
We can find a base. Okay, you know what?
Pwede ko naman mag-woolhoop dito.
Tabi na. Ano, hulog ka dyan, sampaling kita.
David and
May ba nga na kaya mag-woolhoop dun?
then wherever I go,
Salamat.
I can find this.
Okay, na-prank na naman ako. So, mamaya na. So, guys, dito na nagkalabas ang ating video. So, di ko siya natapos, guys. Sana pakishot. So, dito na nagtatapos ang ating video. Manood pa kayo guys sa next channel ko kasi, guys, mag-Roblox kami, mag-reveal kami ng name. Name lang, hindi face. Name, then age. So, lahat kami haki. So, 3 lang ata kami doon kasi sasali ko ng cousin ko. So, nga pala, guys, i-subscribe nyo nga pala si Thanos 1562.
Thanos 1572. Wala space.
Okay, guys. So, i-subscribe nyo guys, sana i-subscribe nyo. So,
Thanos
ang gawin nyo kasi kaya hindi ko natapos, diba guys, hindi ko natapos yung itong tower na to. So, pag-subscribe na lang si Thanos 1567.
Thanos 1572.
Thanos 1572.
Thanos 1572.
Thanos 1572.
Walang 1.
Ano ba?
Thanos 1572. Walang space.
Thanos.
Thanos 1572, guys. Bye-bye. Yar.
Okay.
Wala space ha. Bye-bye.
Okay guys, bye-bye. So, guys panoodin niyo mag-Brookhaven kami guys Bye-bye.